Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today we are going to learn an important topic in geometry, parallelogram theorem.
If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Let A, B, C, D is any quadrilateral whose AB equal to DC and AB parallel to DC. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we join AC. Proof. In triangle ABC and CDA, we have AB equal to DC. Given angle BAC that equal to alternate angle ACD. Since AB parallel to DC and AC is the transversal and AC is common side, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by SAS criteria of the congruence. Therefore, angle ACB that equal to angle DAC, corresponding angles of the two congruent angles. But at the transversal AC intersect the straight line BC and AD, and the two alternate angles becomes equal. So BC is parallel to AD. Since in the quadrilateral ABCD, AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD, so it is a parallelogram. Hence the theorem proved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Geometry Zone.